Welcome to wallcurtains.com. Today, we're sharing essential curtain care tips to help you keep your drapes looking fresh and new for years to come. Whether you have luxurious velvet curtains or simple sheers, proper care is key to maintaining their beauty. 1. Regular dusting and vacuuming. First up, regular dusting and vacuuming. Dust can settle on your curtains and dull their appearance over time. Use a vacuum with a brush attachment to gently clean your curtains weekly. For delicate fabrics, a handheld vacuum or a lint roller can do the trick. 2. Spot cleaning stains. If you notice a stain, it's important to tackle it right away. Use a mild detergent mixed with water and gently blot the stain with a clean cloth. Avoid rubbing, as this can damage the fabric. Always test your cleaning solution on a small, hidden area first to ensure it doesn't cause discoloration. 3. Washing your curtains. Different fabrics require different washing methods. Check the care label for specific instructions. While some curtains are machine washable, others, like silk or velvet, may require dry cleaning. If machine washing, use a gentle cycle with cold water and avoid overloading the machine to prevent wrinkles and damage. 4. Ironing and steaming. To keep your curtains wrinkle-free, consider ironing or steaming them after washing. For natural fabrics like cotton or linen, a warm iron works well. Delicate fabrics should be steamed to avoid burning or crushing the material. Always iron on the reverse side or use a pressing cloth to protect the fabric. 5. Preventative maintenance. Remember to avoid prolonged exposure to direct sunlight, which can cause fading and deterioration of the fabric. Also, be mindful of pets and children who may accidentally damage the curtains. Taking proactive care will prolong their lifespan and keep them looking beautiful for years. 6. Professional cleaning. For heavily soiled or delicate curtains, professional cleaning is your best option. Professionals have the right tools and expertise to clean your curtains thoroughly without causing damage. By following these simple care tips, you can keep your curtains looking fresh and beautiful for years to come. Whether you're dealing with everyday dust or stubborn stains, a little regular maintenance goes a long way. For more tips and high-quality curtains, visit wallcurtains.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and ring the notification bell for more care tips and ideas.